Be the light that darkness fears is what I heard as soon as I was about to start the video. So, guys, whatever you're going through, whatever the situation you are in, or whatever the situation is coming towards you in the near future, you are supposed to be the light that the darkness fears. You are not supposed to shy away or be fearful and scared about whatever is coming towards you. You are the warrior. You don't have to be scared about anything. In the very beginning of the video, I feel like it's a warning. It feels like a warning, but it is not like a warning. Maybe for the people to leave this video who this is not meant for. Stand up for yourself. Nothing in this entire whole fucking universe is a coincidence. What I heard was not a coincidence. Be the light that darkness fears. Stand up for yourself. Bitch free, the card says. But standing up for yourself is so much important in the upcoming time. Nostalgia, focus on here and now. Do not focus on what if this would have happened, what if that would have happened, what if my parents were like this, what if my partner was like this, what if my friends and colleagues and this and that and boss and everybody was like this. No, this is not the time when you think about what ifs. This is the time when you just rewrite the story for yourself, stand up for yourself, and be the freaking creator of your life. Do not give the control of your life to anybody else. You deserve sugar, not salt. You deserve the best, not the bare minimum. You deserve the best, not the bare minimum. If nobody told you today, you do not have to settle for the breadcrumbs. You deserve the best. You deserve the best. You deserve the best. And if somebody else is telling you, even if it's your parents, to settle for less, do not listen to them and just stand up for yourself. Take the control of your life. You are the creator of your life. And this video is not for the people who are like in their early teenage, like 13, 14, 15. This is not for you. Yeah, but if your parents are forcing you to, if you're in like 10th grade or something, 11th and 12th, like plus twos, if your parents are forcing you to take a career path which is not for you, do not listen to them. Take the career path which is good for you. But if you're like 13 till 16, you can skip the video completely, right? Your potential is endless. Literally, the throne, oh my god, I literally pulled out the throne for you. Your potential is endless. Why are you settling for less? Even if it's in your relationship, even if it's when it comes to your marriage life, even when it comes to your career, even when it comes to money, you making money. Is your boss trying to limit you? Is your boss trying to limit you when it comes to you making money? Do not listen to him or her or whoever it is. Do not listen to them. Stand up for yourself. Stand up for yourself. You deserve the best. You don't deserve the salts. You deserve the sugar. You don't have to settle for the breadcrumbs. If people are fighting with you, give them the good fight. Give them the fight. If they are asking for it, give them the fight. If people are not listening to you, they are putting up when you're putting up the boundaries, they are just stepping onto your boundary. Give them the fight that they are asking for. You don't need to settle for anything. People might try to spread misinformation about you, rumors about you. Let them. They are creating bad karma for themselves, and the universe will take care of that. If you know that you're good by your heart, if you know that you have not done anything wrong, if you know that you're intentionally never hurting anybody, if you know that you have never hurt anybody intentionally, and if people are still trying to gossip about you, spread rumors about you, let them. The God, the universe, karma, Gaia, this world that we are living in is made up with Maya, right? And Maya is not like illusions. Maya is also the one who gives people their karma, right? Vidika Vidana, as they say. So if people are spreading rumors about you, if people are talking shit on your name, when you know that you have done nothing wrong, when you know that you have done nothing but good, the God will come and take your revenge. The God will take care of the rest. The universe will take care of the rest. Because once people feel like, okay, I can do anything with this person because they are not speaking up, just know that the universe is always listening to those people, always listening to the gossips that they are spreading about you, and then they will shift their life accordingly. So if people are saying like, okay, that person is so very selfish and this and that, people will start portraying that person as selfish. Coming from experience. Coming from experience. If you know that you're pure, you know that you're best at your interest, you know that you have never done bad to anybody, God will take care of the rest. You don't have to worry about anything happening. The star. You are the star. The throne, the star. Know your potential. Know your potential. Know your potential. If people are not respecting the fact that you're different from them and you don't need to settle and be the person that they are and become exactly a Xerox copy of them, then they will be taken care by the universe. I'll tell you something. If you feel like in the upcoming time you need to give a good fight, no matter who is in front of you, do it. Go and stand up for yourself. Stand up for yourself. Love yourself and protect your future, protect your life, protect your mind, protect your heart, and protect your peace of mind, because you don't deserve the salts, you deserve the sweets, you deserve the sugar, you deserve the best. Because as you fight the devil, things will automatically move forward in your life. Take this as a test. How much can you protect yourself? How much can you stand up for yourself when nobody is standing with you? How much can you stand up for yourself when everybody is against you? And if you can, the universe will stand right behind your back. Trust me when I say this. If you are ready, if you are courageous enough to stand up for yourself when nobody is standing behind you, the universe will stand behind your back. The universe will instantly recognize your courage, instantly recognize your love for yourself, instantly recognize your respect for yourself, and the universe will provide. I can promise you that. I can promise you that. And if you feel like people need a fight, give them the fight because they well deserve it. So if you feel like people are stepping up on your boundaries, no matter for some of you, even if it's your father, only if you had like a bad relationship with your father, give them a fight. Not a fight like a physical fight. You know what I'm talking about. A fight as in a fight. Yeah, this situation might leave you heartbroken because, of course, it is not easy to fight with your people. It is not easy to fight with the people you call yours, your loved ones. But if they are stepping up on your boundary, and if the people you feel are yours cannot respect you, you have to stand up for yourself. I know, I can feel it. I can feel this energy. I have been in your shoes. But standing up for yourself is so much necessary, so much important, because you just have to accept the fact as nobody is going to come and save you. Nobody is going to protect you. Nobody is standing up for you. Nobody is giving you the love and respect that you deserve. So you have to give it to yourself. And this is the time when you do it. Six of Cups and Ace of Cups as I split the deck, and also Ten of Swords. You will not feel your best self while doing so, but you will have to do it for your future self. You will have to do it so that you don't regret in the upcoming next 10 to 20 years that what if I just took my stand? What if I just stand up for myself? Maybe I would have been happier. Maybe I would have been the happiest today. Maybe I would have just took one risk and fought against the odds, protected myself and standed up for myself, then maybe I would have been happy today, which I'm not. Right? So that you don't regret your decision in the upcoming time, in the next 20 to 40 years, in the next few years, I hope you take this decision and stand up for yourself, stand up against odds, and do not be scared about the misconceptions people are spreading towards you. You might feel overly emotional in the upcoming time because it's like Arjun in the Mahabharata fighting against his own family. But he had to stand up for the dharma. He had to stand up for the truth. He had to stand up for what is right ethically and not what is right relationship wise. right? And I don't even feel ki English language has the pure and beautiful words for our word strength, and as I said that धर्मा का कोई शब्द नहीं है in English language. So Arjuna had to stand up for dharma and do what is right according to dharma, and not what the society had been teaching us all our lives, to respect people who are not even respecting us as an individual. Just because we are somebody's children, just because we are somebody's sister, daughter, nephew, grandchildren, doesn't mean that they don't respect us as an individual, because we are an individual and not just their children, or not just their nephew, or not just their grandchildren. That's something that we have to stand up for, and that's something that we have to realize, because you are an individual. And if they were not able to break the cycles and chains of, becoming a slave of the relationship status, it is our responsibility. Okay, slowly but surely you will be moving towards your dream life, and this shall pass too. But in the upcoming time, you might feel lonely, you might feel overly emotional, you might feel like everything is falling apart, you might feel just I see a girl crying a lot, and that used to be me a few years back, but you will feel like crying a lot, overly emotional. But doing this and taking this step is so much important for yourself. Do it for yourself. Do it for yourself, so that you don't blame yourself, so that you don't regret. Also, so many women in Indian societies, especially our mothers, regret the decision that they took all their life. Even today, they regret. Like, I have seen a lot of mothers, I talk to like a lot of married women as well, and they regret the decision of getting married according to their parents. They regret the decision of choosing a career path according to their parents or somebody elder to them. They regret the decision, and they regret their whole life, and they are empty inside just because they took decision based off what other people wanted for them. And they just tell me one thing: I hope and I wish, Ish, that I took a different decision, that I was strong enough, that I was courageous enough to stand up for myself and make the right decision, which is right for me, and not what is going to please the society. So do what is best for you and not for the society. Even if people are talking shit about you, let them. The universe will take care of the rest. As soon and as much as you're a good soul, a good heart, the universe will take care of the rest. And that's my promise to you. That's my promise to you. Trust me. So yeah, I think that's all that I have for you guys for today. If you want to connect with me on one-on-one sessions, on phone calls, or just like talk to me one-on-one, you can book a session with me from the link given in the description box below. You can also DM me on Instagram. The link for that is also in the description box below. I'm sending you so much love, so much courage, so much light, and so much empathy, love, and care towards you. I'm sending you so much love, so much light. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.